Now, another component of CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap that I like to use are the trending pages. That's going to show you basically the overall highlights in the market sentiments based on what's going on market wide. So I'd like to go to the cryptocurrencies on the top, and you're going to want to click highlights, and it's going to take you to crypto highlights. And you can see trending coins, top gainers, top losers, new coins, new upcoming token unlocks. So you can be ahead of the curve, most viewed. This is going to give you a good idea of kind of what's going on market wide, where the volume is flowing in, where people are wanting to put their money, because market sentiment, especially from lower cap coins, is going to be very important. Really what market sentiment means is the amount that someone is willing to pay for something. So in a lot of these situations, if everyone wants to start throwing their money at Dogecoin, then because it's the new hot coin, people are more willing to pay more money for it. If you're in a bear market, people are willing to pay less because things are boring and not very exciting. So because of that, all the prices drop significantly because people aren't willing to pay those same prices in a bear run that they were in a bull run. That's honestly why a lot of people get cooked in the market too. So through this process, you're going to be able to see some of the biggest losers. So a lot of times I'll go to top losers and see if there's any long opportunities or dollar cost average opportunities, whatever it may be. If I'm going to top gainers, maybe I want to look for these to take profits and or look for short opportunities. In terms of trending coins, maybe I want to see if volume is going to start to pick up in some of these projects. Maybe I want to add a little bit more or get a good, let's say, read into potentially what could be going on into the next week. So if you start to see World Liberty pop up here and it's on most viewed and volume is kind of flowing in on it, but the project hasn't actually really moved yet, that could be a potential green flag or a sign that this could start to move potentially in the near future. This is a really good way to kind of keep track of all of that. I would also tie this into the Epic Trading Floor. So if you go to the crypto macro dashboard on the Epic Trading Floor, you'll notice that we have some similar things on here too. So top gainers, top losers. And then from here, you can also track 24-hour volume and just overall volume change and performance change across time frames. I love this for volume. As you can see, volume is flowing out across the board right now as of when I'm making this video. Keep up with the latest news. Fear and Greed Index, which is basically a technical analysis indicator, gives you everything from 1 minute, all the major time frames from 1 minute to 1 month for Bitcoin, Ethereum, total market cap, live chart, live macros, everything like that. So if you're using these two tools together, you're going to be able to get a really good reading on the market and be able to kind of decipher what could be the next potential big move, big gainer, big loser, all those types of things. So giving yourself that competitive advantage against everyone else is one of the biggest things that you want to be focusing on as a trader. So if you do want to learn how to trade, come join us in the Epic Trading Floor. There are limited spots available with all access. I want to say there's 5 seats left at the filming of this video before we jump price from $99 a month to $149 a month. So if you want to try it out for free for 3 days and you get 50% off the first month as well, I'll tag that link in the video as well as the comments and the description of this. We are the world's first social media platform that's built specifically for traders. So we'd love to have you come join our family and come trade with us. So I hope all of you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you on the next video.